The 2024 Mercedes AMG EQE 53 SUV is a groundbreaking vehicle, brilliantly combining high-end performance and luxurious features with environmentally friendly electric power. As Mercedes-Benz continues its transition towards full electrification, they've ensured that even the eco-conscious vehicles carry the esteemed AMG performance characteristics. Based on the recently launched Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV, this AMG version stands as the first all-electric SUV to bear the renowned Affalterbach's performance insignia. Power and performance are at the forefront of the EQE 53 SUV's design. Powered by two electric motors, one on each axle, the vehicle delivers a combined output of 617 horsepower and 701 pound-feet of torque. These figures elevate further to 677 horsepower and 738 pound-feet with the optional AMG Dynamic Plus package. The vehicle offers various driving modes, regulating power output based on driver preference and road conditions, with race start mode unleashing the full power potential. At the heart of the EQE 53 SUV is a 90.6 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack. While the official EPA estimated range is yet to be announced, preliminary estimates suggest a range of 250 miles per full charge. Charging the vehicle is also quite efficient, with Mercedes claiming a gain of 100 miles of range in just 15 minutes when connected to a DC fast-charging station. This makes the EQE 53 a practical choice for both city commuting and longer journeys. The EQE 53 SUV's interior exhibits a blend of luxury and space. With room for 5 adult passengers in both the front and rear, the vehicle doesn't compromise on space. Detailing such as red top stitching on the instrument cluster and doors, and AMG emblems embossed on the headrests, foot pedals, floor mats, and door sills add to the sense of opulence. For tech enthusiasts, the embossed hyperscreen, stretching from A-pillar to A-pillar, is a remarkable feature. The infotainment system in the EQE 53 SUV is impressive. The standard 12.8-inch touchscreen, powered by Mercedes-Benz's MBX software interface, provides a user-friendly experience. It includes standard features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless smartphone charging pad. The EQE SUV also offers unique designs for both its instrument cluster and head-up display, further enhancing the driving experience. Safety is a high priority for the EQE 53 SUV. Basic driver assistance features come as standard, including automated emergency braking and lane keeping assist. For more advanced features such as adaptive cruise control with lane centering, Mercedes offers an optional driver assistance package. This added package ensures a safer and more relaxed drive, especially on long journeys. The EQE 53 SUV comes with a competitive warranty package. Mercedes offers 4 years or 50,000 miles of coverage for both the vehicle and powertrain, and a special 8 years or 100,000 miles for the electrical components. However, it's worth noting that unlike some competitors, Mercedes doesn't include complimentary scheduled maintenance in the deal. The 2024 Mercedes AMG EQE 53 SUV truly embodies the fusion of performance, luxury, and eco-friendliness. With its potent performance, top-of-the-line comfort features, and practical electric capabilities, it's poised to redefine the standards of high-performance electric SUVs. Mercedes-Benz has successfully filled an AMG-sized gap in the EV performance SUV market, leaving a powerful footprint for other manufacturers to follow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.